Bye.
What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Okay, we're gonna do that one more time. What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Team Stacie, and I'm back with another YouTube video. And if you're new to my channel, hello, and if you're a subscriber, what's up? Y'all, I'm laughing because it is literally 1 o'clock in the morning, and I have to wake up at 5 a.m. and I have an 11-hour shift tomorrow. Good luck to me. Today, I'm super excited. I literally wanted to create a look like this for the longest. You guys don't understand. Go ahead and up your dose with Team Stacie and follow me on my social networks. It will be right here. And then also, if you want to become a super subscriber, go ahead and turn my post notifications on to be notified every time I drop a video. Without further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so with the P. Louise base in 0.5, we're going to go ahead and just put that all over my eye. And I'm just going to pat that in to get a nice blank canvas. So with Beauty Bay's Bright palette, I'm going to take this light green and dark green, and those are the two colors we're going to work with. So first with the dark green, I'm going to go ahead and pat that on my outer crease. Then with the lighter green above the darker green, we're going to pack that color on. And y'all, I'm so sorry. My son wanted to be in this video so bad. Please say hi to Simba because he really wanted to say hi to y'all and get his little 15 seconds of fame. But anyways, now I'm going to go back in and use circular motions. And I'm using the same brushes I used to apply the shadows, but I'm not putting any extra product, if that makes any sense. And I just really want you guys to see me using these circular motions and just going back and forth, making sure these colors are very much diffused. So next up, I'm going to go ahead and just apply the same base over my lid again. And this is just to kind of blink everything out that's on my lid, so the neon pigment has something to stick onto. And while I'm here, I want to shout out Yami Angelina, and hopefully I said her name right. She's the one that inspired me to do this look, and she's done this like so long ago, and I've always wanted to do this. I just never had the right products, but that's where Deja's vanity comes into play. Deja has sent me some beautiful products, and I was so happy to try them out on my channel. This is her neon stacker, and this is called the Rave collection, and everything I'm using will be linked down below. She also sent me some fire brushes, and let me show y'all this real quick. This brush is so freaking cute. It's like this crystal diamond touch, and I literally love it. It literally helps you grip the brush so well. In love. So I just showed you guys I'm using the yellow, quote unquote. I think that's more green, but baby, it don't matter. It looked like a tennis ball. I mean, it is so bright, so pigmented. I'm literally in love. This was my first time using a loose pigment, and I can say it is a little intimidating with the fallout, but I love it, needless to say. She also sent me some glitters. This is her chunky glitter, and I'm going to be using the gold one. And then she also has some more fine glitters, but you guys are going to see that later. So here I'm just lining my crease with the Duo Lash Glue because I'm going to apply these fine glitters, this green one to be exact, in my crease. So I'm taking her angled brush to apply that glitter to my crease, and now I'm going to take the same Duo Lash Glue and I'm going to go ahead and just line my lash line. So now with the chunky glitters, I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to my lash line. And honestly, the only thing with using chunky glitters is because they're so chunky, sometimes they can kind of fall out of formation. And as you see here, all you have to do is just kind of maneuver it and make sure the chunky glitter is literally only sticking to where you placed it. And now for some magic. Here is some bomb lashes from Team Stacie Cosmetics. Go ahead and follow my cosmetics page, and this is in style $1 billion baby. So let's go ahead and get into skin. So first I'm moisturizing with the Fenty Skin's moisturizer, and then I'm gonna go in with my favorite primer, and that is the NYX Hydra Touch primer. And also my all-time favorite foundation, the Juvia's Place foundation in 440. I'm going to use Deja Vanity's brush to apply this foundation. First, I smooth the foundation on with my finger. Just because the brush is so soft, I didn't want the brush to kind of just soak up the foundation. So when you spread it out with your finger and then you go in with the brush like this, it gives you this nice airy airbrush effect. And literally in love. This brush did wonders. So after I blended everything out, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer in J18. And typically I like to blend out my concealer with a sponge, but I did want to go ahead and put Deja's brush to the test and blend out my concealer with it. And baby, did it pass the test. I don't know what it is, but it just really just gave me this airbrush finish. I really did love these brushes. Not like it, love it. Even using this brush in my under eye, come on, period. So next, I'm going to take my Milk's translucent powder and just set everywhere we applied that concealer. And then this is my black Opal foundation stick, and we're going to use that to contour. And I'm using the same brush from Deja to blend it out. So with my OLP products, I'm going to take their blush palette, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that blush to my cheeks just to add some color. And now I'm going to take the Badescu setting spray and just set my face. And here is the Wet n Wild's Jumbo Pencil, and this color is in Pearl. So back in with that dark green that we first applied in my crease, I'm just going to smoke out my lower lash line with that. And this is the Juvia's Place concealer. This is the Warrior palette, and I'm just going to take that champagne color. I don't know why the clip is not showing, but I'm going to take the champagne color and use it as a highlight. And don't forget to highlight your brow bone. That really ties everything together. And then this is some clear gloss that I got from the beauty supply store. Alright guys, I'm talking a little fast because my camera's about to die, but that is the end of this video. Like I said, I just wanted to give you guys this very dramatic neon green. I just really love this look right now. I just really wanted to give you guys this tutorial. I miss you guys so much. I can't wait to give you guys more content. Make sure you're following me on social networks so you guys can, just give me more suggestions on looks that you guys want to see. And yeah, go ahead and comment down below if you guys like this look. Subscribe to my channel to get weekly uploads from me. I'm gonna go back to doing twice a week. I've just been really busy with my launch, which I'll give you more information in my description box. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.